welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup. So if you guys want to see the look I create using only e.l.f. products, feel free to continue watching. So for primer, we are going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I absolutely love this stuff. I think it's a great dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be using is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and this is in the shade 1. This is the lightest shade at the time, and it's still too dark for me, but they did recently just come out with like a little bit, like, I don't know, like maybe 4 extra shades, and they have like even lighter shades, so I may have to pick some up the next time I go to Ulta because this is still too dark for me. Alright, so we are just going to put this on all over my face. I may do a few layers of it just so that it's nice and thick. And I'm just going to use a sponge just to bounce it out. I do like a more full coverage foundation, so I'm going to put a couple more layers of this on my face. So for concealer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is the shade Fair Rose, and I'm just going to conceal everywhere I conceal. I've been using this stuff for years. Like, I love this stuff. This stuff is great. Okay, concealer is done. For contour, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty One, and this is the Fair Light shade. And I honestly don't really know how much to use of this product because I feel like it's just too light for me, that it kind of just blends away and you can't really see it. And I have to put on like a whole bunch of layers. So I might just do like 2 layers. And hopefully that will be enough. The only downside I don't like of the Halo Glows, like the beauty ones, is the applicator. When you put it back inside, like put the lid back on, it just gets all over the lid. And I just feel like it just wastes a lot of product. And there's like product all over the side of this. That's just one downside of having this. And I haven't even used this that long, and it's just like it's almost empty because look at that. It's just, I'm just not a big fan of the squeeze container. Okay, so that is the contour on my face. It just gives it a nice cool tone look to my face. I'm not a big fan of contour, to be honest with you. I like bronzer more than I like contour. So for blush, I am going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty One blush in the shade Candlelit, and this is the shade. And I just like the other ones, I have to put like a lot of layers on this to get it to show up. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of dewy things like this because like it just disappears. You saw that disappear. It just vanishes into thin air. And maybe I'm just using it wrong. Maybe I'm not supposed to use it with a beauty blender. But I just don't know what I'm doing wrong using these. So I'm just gonna stack this on until it's the shade I want. Okay, and this is the blush on my face. I hope you guys can see it. It's really sheer. I like a more pigmented in-your-face blush. But yeah, it gives it a nice glow of blush. So rolling right along with highlight and the Halo Glow Beauty One. And this is the Champagne Campaign color. And that is the shade, if you guys can see it. It's like a really light champagne color. And I haven't used much of this stuff, like at all. This is like my least reached for product for this, the Beauty One line. And same as the blush and contour, I'm just gonna stack this on until I'm happy with the glow. With how glowy my face is already, I really don't need that much. Now, I forgot to get powder. Now, I don't even know if e.l.f. sells like any setting powder, but if they did, I forgot to get it. So, if you see creasing under my eyes, no you don't. Don't say anything about it. So we're just gonna move right along to eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I am gonna be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe, and we are just gonna fill in my brows. Okay, these are my eyebrows all filled in. I have been using that eyebrow pencil for years. I absolutely love this eyebrow pencil. I think it's really easy to use and the product is there. It's my all-time favorite brow pencil. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I bought 2 different eyeshadows. Mainly because I was gonna get this one, but there were just 3 shimmer shades and only 1 matte. And so I just went ahead and got this one as well as 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. It's the Bite Size eyeshadow, and this is the Cream and Sugar one, and this is the Rose Water one. So I'm going to go in with the Cream and Sugar palette, and I am going to dip into this far brown shade and put it in my crease. And this is my first time using one of e.l.f.'s eyeshadow palettes, so maybe we'll see how it works. So far, I think the pigment is very good. It's definitely there. I'm not having any fallout. So far, I actually really like this eyeshadow palette. Okay, we are gonna dip back into that brown shade and just blend out the edges. Okay, and now I'm going to be dipping in this light shade right here and then just blend out the rest of the brown. Okay, so now I am going to be dipping into the Rose Water eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to be taking this glitter shade right here on my finger and then just putting it in the center of my eye. So now what I'm going to do to highlight my eyebrow bone is take this color, it's this like lighter goldish shade, and just tap it right above or right underneath my eyeshadow or eyebrow. So now we're going to jazz it up with some eyeliner. I am going to be taking the Expert Liquid Eyeliner in the charcoal shade, and we are going to draw a wing. That was really easy, to be honest with you. That was fast and simple. Wow. That glided on great. I actually really liked how that went on. It was very simple and easy. I really liked that. Okay, so now for mascara. We are going to be using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Yeah, I mean, it looks promising. It honestly kind of looks like the Roller Lash in a way. So I got the shade Deep Brown instead of black, so love that for me. I didn't look. So next I would do false eyelashes, but they didn't have any. So I am just going to roll now with lipstick. And I think for this one, I am going to be using the e.l.f. O Face Satin Lipstick in the shade Dirty Talk. And I just bought it because it looked pretty. I was going to use the No Doubt, but since I have a pink look going on, kind of, I'm going to be using this one. Oh yeah, and they didn't have any lip liner either, so that's why I'm just going in with lipstick. Ooh, that is really pretty. I like that. I really like that color. I really like it. I think that is going to be my new favorite nude lip. I really like that. That is so pretty. I love that. Okay, win for me. Okay, to set things off, I'm going to be using the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Yeah, I mean, it's a dewy face, dewy setting mist, so I think it's perfect. Honestly, I wonder if it smells like coconut. I'm going to smell it before I put it on, because I love the smell of coconut. And it smells like coconut. I am absolutely obsessed, so let's go ahead and set this face. That smells delightful. I love that. So now I'm just gonna tap it in. And this is the completed look of full face using only e.l.f. makeup. Honestly, there was a lot of wins, This was a win, this was a big win. And then also, this lipstick was another big win. I absolutely love these two things. Love. I also really love the eyeliner. If I got like the black instead of charcoal, big win. I absolutely loved these three things. Top three right here. Go buy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!